So you're thinking about starting a business? Work from home part-time, earn some extra cash. 5 top business ideas for 2021. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch this video. I'm going to give you some food for thought. You can do it. Start your own business. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your time as always. So people always ask me, as an entrepreneur, how do you start a home business? Well, there's a lot of different ways to start a home business. You can start a business very simply. I'm going to go through 5 top businesses that I think you can start with almost no money, a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, and you can do it. So this is all about work from home part-time and earn some extra cash, right? That's what it's all about. So this video is top 5 business ideas for 2021. So this is just my ideas, and this is my experience in the past and different things that you can do without really any money at all. I mean, a lot of people say, how can I start a business? What can I do? How can I make any money? And an entrepreneur is very different. So an entrepreneur thinks differently than a regular person. I'm not saying that person that has a regular job doesn't think differently, but they're basically told a specific task and they do that task. An entrepreneur has to think outside the box, come up with an idea, and think about how to execute that. When you have a job, the execution is already laid out for you. You just have to perform it correctly. So that's kind of the difference between an entrepreneur and someone who has a job that's like a structured job. There's nothing wrong with that. I've had structured jobs, and I've been an entrepreneur for over 30 years, and so I'm just giving you some quick ideas and some food for thought. If you want to start a business, even just part-time, just whatever it is, it can be a million, but this is just 5 really good ideas. Let's start with the first. We have the pros and cons. There's always pros and cons when you work for yourself, right? The pros, low investment, not a lot of overhead you need, option to sell products and services local and internationally, flexible work life, right? So if you're looking for some part-time work, this is a great idea, a great way of doing it. You can put as much time in or as little time as you want. You can create a family business if you want to, have a great relationship with your spouse and work together if you want to. There's all different ways of doing it. Cons, of course, there's always good and there's always bad, right? So you have to have some workspace, you need a desk, you need some quiet sometimes. Maybe you want to do some inventory if you want to do anything online. You need a home office, computer, things like that. I guess those are the cons. You can still have a really good quality business, but always, don't outgrow your space. Be careful how you do it. Grow slowly. Don't borrow a ton of money. Go slow. Learn from experience and keep growing your business. So these are just quick pros and cons. Really don't want to get too deep into the pros and cons. I want you to just think of it this way. I want you to just do it. Okay. 90% of entrepreneurs do things first and think about them later. Okay. And a lot of entrepreneurs think that way. So they're definitely wired differently. So we are wired differently as entrepreneurs. We try to come up with ideas and business ideas and way to execute them and how to make money in all kinds of ways. So I'm just going to give you a couple quick ideas that you can do from home. Real easy business. eBay, of course. It's been around for like 25 years, right? So everybody knows about eBay. It's been around for a long time. It's the old school way of selling, which people might think that way, but I think it's probably one of the best ways in my opinion. And here's some options that you can sell. Old electronic items, used clothing, vintage items, can be anything. Antiques, of course, and collectibles, toys, vintage clocks, just about anything you can sell on eBay. It's almost inexpensive to sign up. I think it's free. You just pay a small fee. You can run an auction. There's no fee unless it sells. So eBay is a really, really good business idea. You can start part-time, hustle. Listen, entrepreneurs hustle and think and hustle. Okay, so get out there, go to yard sales, sell stuff out of your house first. Do it real simple. Go into your house, things that you don't need anymore, that you don't want. Do the research on eBay. I have links on my page as well about research on eBay and how to set up, sell items online, and ask me any questions that you want for selling. So anything at all, eBay is a really, really good opportunity. It's real simple to do. It's really pretty. You can do it with your smartphone. You don't need any big studio television anymore. You don't need a photography studio. You don't need anything. You can really sell pretty much anything on eBay. So eBay is great. That's number 1. Number 2. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying my content about 5 businesses that you can start in 2021. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Back to the video. Etsy. If you're a crafter, if you like to make things, you like to sell things, you knit, anything like that, Etsy is awesome opportunity for people. You can do it from home. You can ship your items from home, just like from eBay. You can ship your items real cheap, real inexpensive to run an Etsy business. Some items from Etsy. Again, sell vintage household item, sell vintage clothing. If you're a crafter, sell some of your items online, right? If you like to knit sweaters and do different things like that, you can sell them on Etsy. Photography, if you're a photographer, sell your photos online, right? Vintage items, again, antiques, sell handmade items. It doesn't matter. See, entrepreneurs don't come up with excuses. They come up with action plans. So I want to do this, and how do I do it? Okay, so you can sit there all day and say, oh, I can't do it. It's too hard. You know what? You can do it. Focus. Look online. It's very, very simple. There's so much tutorials on YouTube. Just keep searching and looking. Get the confidence. You can do it. Believe me, anybody can be an entrepreneur. You can train yourself to become an entrepreneur. You really can. So let's get into the next one. Amazon. Okay, that's a big one, right? So Amazon's a beast. Okay, but you can sell items on Amazon. Set up an account. Real easy. Again, go online. Don't be afraid. You can sell almost anything on Amazon, believe it or not. Okay, so FBA. So if you're not familiar with Amazon, so FBA means Fulfillment by Amazon. That means you buy stuff for Amazon, you send it in to Amazon. Amazon does the rest. That's how that works. Just a real quick, synopsis of what Amazon is. MF means Merchant Fulfilled. That means you buy the items yourself and you sell them to the customers yourself. You have all the responsibility and all the work, but that's what that is. Okay, find items at thrift stores to sell. Retail arbitrage means that you can go into stores, pay retail, and resell it on Amazon for more money than retail. So that's retail arbitrage. Basically, what that is in a nutshell. You go out and you find something, a jacket for $20 and sell it on Amazon for $50, right? So that's that idea. You can buy wholesale. You can do buy and sell, basically buy wholesale and resell on Amazon. Pretty much anything kind of eBay you can do on Amazon. Amazon's really more towards the target of newer items, trending items, and what's hot right now. You have to just can be careful with Amazon. There's a lot of things with margins, and you got to be careful with that. But you can start a home business on Amazon and do very well at it as well. Another one, photography business. So if you like taking photos or even video, if you like to take video, you could be a videographer, you could be a photographer. You can start a family business. Start with friends and family and just grow from there. And just keep growing. It's real simple. Okay, you can take photos of parties, photos of kids, of bands. If you have a wedding band, or if you have friends that have a rock band or a garage band, right? Take photos. Hey, I'll take some photos for you, no charge. Just get your feet wet. So entrepreneurs make no excuses. We just keep doing it until we get it done. Okay? Photos of weddings. If you have a friend getting married, even if they have a professional photographer, say, do you mind if I tag along and get a few shots? Build up your portfolio. Another way of doing it. Photos of wildlife. People love take the photos of wildlife. Now you got to take them, sell them on Etsy. So now you got a photography business and you're selling on Etsy. See what I'm talking about? How entrepreneurs think. So you got to think that way. Real estate photographer. Real easy, right? And someone needs real estate photography. All these realtors using their phones and their photos look like crap. Okay, period, and so on. So this goes on for a really long time. You really can't go wrong. Start a business. Everybody has a camera today. It's very inexpensive. It's not the equipment today. It's the time and the thought process. All right. Anybody can buy cameras today. You can pick up a camera inexpensively, $50, $100, a couple $100. I mean, they're not that expensive. You can go out and start a business. All you need is a little confidence, okay, and just get your feet wet. Don't be afraid, okay? When I first started my video company 30 years ago, I knew nothing about weddings. I said, I'm not doing weddings. So the first call I got was what? A wedding call. Was I going to refuse it? No way. I took that wedding call. I charged almost nothing to do it because I had no experience. And I told the bride, I have no experience. She goes, I don't care. This is my second marriage. I don't care if it doesn't come out. I said, cool. All right, fine. So I did it, and it grew from there. And I ran that business for 30 years because I really enjoyed what I did. And I saw an opportunity, and I went with it. So here's another business here, photography. Real simple, real easy to do. No film to buy, right? Things have changed a lot, and it's real easy. And here's another one. Dog walker. Okay, it's kind of funky, right? But dog walking is a really kind of cool business. I mean, basically, it's real fun. It's funky. You can walk dogs. You can check on pets. House calls. People are looking for people all the time to check on their pets, take them to the vet, help feed, water, they go away. Help with cats and dogs. Don't just say dogs. You can't walk cats, but check on the cats. Help people with all types of help. Okay, bottom line. So these are just 5 quick businesses that you can do from home with little or no money. This is literally no money. Use Facebook. Okay, use Etsy. Not Etsy. Use Craigslist. You can use Facebook. You can use Craigslist to market yourself. It doesn't cost really anything. You can grow a business like you wouldn't believe. Really, really simple. Entrepreneurs make no excuses. Entrepreneurs think positive. Entrepreneurs move forward. Okay? We learn our lessons, we redirect, and we reapply. That's what entrepreneurs do. We make no excuses. Okay, get out there, go to yard sales. Get out there, go to thrift stores. Put it on eBay. Put it on Amazon. Go to Etsy. Take some photos. Put it online. Make no excuses. You can do this. This is really, really not rocket science. All it takes is a little integrity, a little confidence, and a little knowledge. And you can be very, very successful. Believe me. All right, guys. So I just wanted to bring this to you, just 5 really quick businesses that you can do from home very inexpensively with little or no money. Okay, guys, I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave down below. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you appreciate this content, let me know. Give me a like. Let me know how you enjoyed it. If I can help you with anything whatsoever, leave some comments down below, and I'll be glad to help you. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Just want to bring this to your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit, so I can bring more content to you. All right, guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you at the next review.